Michal met Colin, it was immediately obvious that you two fit perfectly together. I was impressed by Colin's ability to complement Michal's optimism and humor. Not only is Colin excited and passionate about life, but he's also a great partner. Colin and Michal, we love you. We're so excited to celebrate you this weekend. And with that, may you both continue to grow as individuals and as partners, and know that you fostered a community of people that really, really love you. We wish you a lifetime of deep and generous love.
I wanna sing 1,000 times a day so I could get you higher to the ground. Get you high. Whatever you need to enjoy the way to be inside the moment of the now. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit low.
Michal, I vow to devote myself to being the best husband I can be, to love us wholeheartedly, to grow and push each other and develop our relationship further. I promise to continually work on myself and on us so that we can know the depths of our happiness and meaning in this marriage, because our union and our partnership is the most important thing in the world to me. I love you.
I wanna sing 1,000 times a day so I could get you higher to the ground. Get you high. Whatever you need to enjoy the way to be inside the moment of the now. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high.
Colin, I vow to love you the way I do now, not just with my heart and my brain, but with my entire being, from my fingertips to my toes. I vow to laugh with you the way I do now, from today until our last. I love you, I need you, and I'm so grateful to be up here today, happy, healthy, and announcing it to all of our closest friends and family.
I got this one choice in my pocket and I'm reaching for that place. Gonna pull out all my might and shine away. I got this one choice in my pocket and I'm reaching for that place. Gonna pull with all my might and shine away. Gonna live for the moment. Ooh, live for the
Do you, Michal Trope, take Colin to be your gloriously wedded husband?
I do.
And Colin, do you, Colin Stanley Thornton, take Michal to be your magnificently wedded wife?
I do.
These are the good times. I feel the good vibes. Bring it together. The more the merrier.
Michal, I am so happy that he found someone who could help him cultivate that spirit of generosity that I've seen his entire life. And the love that Michal has shown Colin, they'll be able to go through any challenge that life throws at them. I'm so happy for the two of you. And with all of that, I want to say, here's a cheers to the couple of the night.
It's time to celebrate. Come on, come out and play. It's such a perfect day to let it lead the way. Yeah, our love will lead the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yes, these are the good times. Hey, 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 hey. 'Cause everything is better when we get together. Oh, yes, these are the good times. Hey, 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 hey. 'Cause everything is better when we get together.
Since meeting Colin, Michal's still our same girl, but a bit more confident, much neater, more engaged in the world. You balance each other out, and I've never seen Michal more glowing. You two are finally getting married for real. My joy is overflowing. So now let's all raise our glasses to these beautiful two, to a life of joy and reconnection when things go askew. What a momentous occasion in the life cycle. Cheers to our newlyweds, Colin and Michael.